All right, today we have a battery tester. If you guys don't know how to test your battery, or you don't know how much voltage you have, you need to find out, because under 10, your battery needs to be replaced. Now, they give you this little device that has a couple of features. This is a tester. You have negative and positive, right? This is positive and negative. They give you a little indication of the color. Now, they also give you a type USB, which is a data. This is an older USB connection, if you guys can see that. This is to transfer some of the data if you want to keep your records on certain batteries, if you're a manufacturer, or if you have different electrical cars that you need to make sure you balance the battery. This is it. Now, this is a 12 volts, right, in maximum. So we are going to test it out to see if we actually have above 10 volts. All right, so let's go and test it out. And of course, we're going to start with the negative first. All right, negative first. So I'm going to start with negative. And you don't have to be exact precise. So we're just going to grab them here. And then the other one, we just want to make sure that they're reading the volt, right? And then let's go ahead and read the other volt. And then there's a little spark. There's the little meter. Now we got our tester here, right? Quick test, right? That's what we're gonna do. Quick test. Hit enter. All right, so we enter the test, increase RPM. So we have to turn on the car if you want to have this type of test. Right now we're currently running the actual basic test. We did get the 12 volts on it. So let's go ahead and exit this part and exit this part. And auto vehicle, wave, review, and print data. Print data will transfer the data over, but I like this little device. It's portable, small, compact. So you need to know your ampage before you actually do the test. Your low ampage. And when you do that, you have to go to your battery. And the battery says 765 AGE. So 65. Well, let's go 65. 65. There's 65. We follow it up with your battery. It tells you the indication. Hit enter. So you have a lot of options to do the test on your battery. Plug it into your battery directly and you power this device up. No batteries necessary. It's using the voltage from your battery. So if you guys are looking for a testing kit, this is it.